Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaytanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. قال الله تعالى في سورة آل عمران وإذ قالت الملائكة يا مريم إن الله اصطفاك وطهرك واصطفاك على نساء العالمين. Translation. And when the angel said, O Maryam, Allah has chosen you and made you purified, and He has chosen you above all the women of the world. Previous ruku, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala explained that He chose Al-E-Imran, and then He mentioned about the birth of Maryam alayhi salam and her bringing up, and Hazrat Zakaria alayhi salam's prayer, and the birth of Hazrat Yahya alayhi salam. And now Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is explaining that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has chosen Maryam alayhi salam, and later in this ruku we will study that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will mention about the birth of Isa alayhi salam, and He will give prophethood to Isa alayhi salam, and He will show some miracles to the people. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has used the word istafaki in this ayah, which has been explained in several ways. In a way, it is said that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given great favor to Maryam alayhi salam, and He chose her among all those boys that were used to be given to Baitul Maqdas for the service of Baitul Maqdas. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accepted Maryam alayhi salam despite of her being a female. She was chosen and was given preference over all the boys and gave very great signs to her. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also used the word taharaki, which scholars they have explained in different ways. One meaning is that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala kept her free from all the impurities of females that are usually encountered by normal females. Some said that it meant that Allah gave her the belief and kept her pure from any kind of disobedience and kept her pure from any sins. Some said that it meant that Allah gave her the best of the manners and kept her free from bad manners. In summary, we can say that Maryam alayhi salam were free from all kind of impurities. In ahadith, there are 5 women that were given lots of fazila. Among those, Hazrat Maryam alayhi salam, Hazrat Asiya, and Hazrat Khadija bint Khuwailid, and Hazrat Fatima bint Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and Hazrat Aisha radhiyallahu ta'ala anha included. In the next ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, Ya Maryam qunuti li rabbiki wasjudi warka'i ma'ar raki'in. Translation. O Maryam, be obedient, devoted to your Rabb, and prostrate and bow with those who bow in prayer. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala commanded Maryam alayhi salam to be obedient and devoted to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and to pray with the prostration and with the bowing that is done in prayers. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has specified warka'i ma'ar raki'in, that bow and make ruku with those who bow and make ruku in the prayers. As some of the Jews stopped doing ruku in their salahs, as we see some of the Muslims, when they do ruku, they do not bow properly and they just bow partially. So let's pray that Allah give us true understanding of Quran and Deen and make us among those who do the proper sujood and proper ruku and proper arkan of the namaz. Ameen. Wa akhir da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.